Hello everyone. So today we are going to unbox something interesting. So this is a parcel which has came through Flipkart and the brand is Golden Tips. As many of you don't know, for them Golden Tips is a premium tea offering brand which offers various kinds of tea. It is almost a 90 years old company which has started in 1933. At present, the managing director of Golden Tips Tea is Madhav Sardar. So let's see how are the products. Although this is a bit expensive tea, as the very look suggests, this premiumness. I have ordered this because I wanted to give this to some of my relatives and family members. That's why I thought to order this. This is the can. This is a golden orange picoy. This is a premium black tea basically from the essence of Darjeeling. Golden Tips as a brand is also very nice. I have seen their outlet in the MG market. It is quite beautiful and shiny, to be honest. So let's see. And this is a small manual where the story of the brand is written and some lines from Madhav Sardar, the managing director of Golden Tips. Let's see how the products are. So I have ordered a can and this one. This one is for gifting purposes, finest teas in India. There are 3 kinds of tea present there, and this is a really nice packaging to gift someone. Although I have not tasted it still now, I have to wait a bit to know the essence and the true taste of it to its price. Although for the gift packet, I won't able to taste it because I will gift it to someone of my family. So for the flavors which I ordered for the gifting pack is Darjeeling tea, Assam tea and Nilgiri tea. This was a set of 3 finest Indian teas from Golden Tips. And for the can, it is golden orange picoy. It is basically a special grade of black tea from Darjeeling, loose leaf tea. So I will provide the links in the description. Thank you.